Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome to lecture number 3rd. Today we are going to learn that how can you set the image in your border. I have image. I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. First of all, and here I'm saying this is my P. Any elements. Okay, you can also use H1. You can also use some other HTML element to create the image in your border. Okay, now I'm saying here is my stuff for you, and now I'm going to create the element selector. Here I'm saying border image. Make sure I'm saying this is the URL where I'm getting the image. So like I'm saying, go to the previous directory, find the assets, and also I have the image named logo.png. Fine. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's not working. Wait for a few seconds, we are going to explain. Go to the console. As you can see, nothing is happening. That means we are not getting any error. Okay, now fine, you have to define I'm saying 30 rounded. Go to the page, refresh the page. Fine, it's not working. So you need some other properties you have to define. I'm saying border 10 pixel solid transparent. Go to the page, refresh the page, and I'm saying padding like 20 pixels. So refresh, and now okay, so it's not the logo, it's border image. So now as you can see, it's working fine. So you can set the image at the border. So here as you can see, it's repeating the image. So that's why it's stretching. We also have another property. If you use the round, that means it will repeat your image. And we also have a stretch property to stretching the image. So in this way you can create or you can use the image as a border. We normally not use, or we never use the image as a border. So in our by using some advanced frameworks, we have some other kind of techniques. We have some other kind of classes available there or over there. So that's why. So this is a basic example to use the border image by using your CSS. So that's why we have covered this one. So you have to familiar the each and every syntax. So I hope guys you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any updates. So thank you for watching.